guys, welcome back to Fly High Balloons Creations. Welcome everyone. My name is Deborah. If you're new here, we're so glad to have you. Please consider subscribing to our channel if you like and find the content helpful. Today, I am showing you a super simple and affordable way to make a balloon arch frame using just a hula hoop and lamp stands. Perfect for parties, weddings, or any special occasion. Let's get started. Materials needed are a large hula hoop available at dollar stores or online. I am using my 32.5-inch sturdy hula hoop that I purchased from Walmart.com. 2 sturdy lamp stands, preferably adjustable. I am using my sturdy lamp stands that I also purchased from Walmart.com. They come with 5 of these poles and I am using all 5 of them. Gorilla tape or duct tape to secure the hula hoop onto the stands. Scissors for cutting the tape. Rubber bands for attaching small cords onto the arch. Balloons in your choice of colors. I am using all Sympatex brand balloons. Fashion Eucalyptus, 5-inch, 11-inch, 18-inch. Fashion Terracotta, 5-inch, 11-inch, 18-inch. And Fashion Mustard, 5-inch, 11-inch, and 18-inch. A balloon pump, I highly recommend using an electrical pump. Trust me, this will save you time. And last but not least, a balloon sizer for accurate sizing for your 11-inch balloons. I will leave everything I use in the description box down below. Let's first assemble the stands. Take your first pole and screw it onto the base and screw the others onto it. I highly recommend using weight plates or any other type of weights for outdoors or high traffic areas for extra stability. Now let's secure the hula hoop to the top of each stand. Remove the barcode and staple. Pull the hula hoop apart and remove the tube. Secure the hula hoop to each stand using Gorilla tape or duct tape. I use 2 strips of tape on each side to make sure it doesn't come apart when attaching balloons onto the hula hoop. Now let's inflate balloons to form cords to build the balloon arch. I will first start with inflating 2 11-inch balloons. Size them down to 8 inches by pressing them up against the 8-inch hole of my balloon sizer box. Slowly release the air until they just fit through and tie them together into a dupe. To tie them together, lay one neck over the other. Pull tight against each other, wrap around twice, and tie a simple knot. I will do the same with an 18 and 11-inch balloon, making another dupe. I then took both dupes, brought them together, took one small balloon from each, twist them together, forming a large quad of 4 balloons. I will repeat the process, forming 3 more of these large terracotta color quads, 2 more eucalyptus, and 4 more mustards. Next, I will do the same with 4 11-inch balloons, sizing them down to 8 inches, forming a medium quad. I will repeat the process, forming 12 more of these terracotta color quads, 4 more eucalyptus, and 8 more mustards. I then inflated 4 5-inch balloons, forming small quads. I will use these small quads to fill in any gaps and use as accents. Let's attach balloons to the stand. Starting with our large quad, slide it onto the stand between 2 of the small balloons. Twist them around each other. This will lock the balloons onto the stand. Gently press down on them so that they are all nice and flat against the base. Next, we are going to grab our medium cord, slide it onto the stand, lock it onto the stand, and nestle the medium cord against the large cord so there aren't any major gaps. Now we are going to grab a large cord and repeat the process. Now that our first layer is created, we are going to add on top of it 2 medium cords and a large cord. We are going to repeat the process until the side of the stand is covered with balloons. And next, we are going to do the same on the opposite side of the stand. Remember to periodically step back and assist the overall shape and balance of the arch as you go. Now it's time to fill the top of the arch with medium cords. Slide the cords onto the stand between 2 balloons. Twist them around each other, locking them onto the stand. Nestle the cords against each other to prevent any major gaps, and repeat the process until the top of the stand is covered with balloons. Let's add small cords using the rubber band method onto the base of the arch to fill in any gaps and for a polished look. Using the H method, I added these super cute fall foil balloons onto the arch to make it pop. And there you have it, a stunning balloon arch frame made with a hula hoop and lamp stands. It's budget friendly, easy to make, and looks amazing for any event. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY parties ideas. Let me know in the comments how your balloon arch turned out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you guys stay blessed, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.